You know, and this is what the world needs. And I'm out here trying to play the music of the world. And you notice how rare people will say, man, thank you for trying to unite the world. Okay? That's all we trying to do, man. It's just my creativity. You know, some people dance, some people sing, some people play instruments. I play music. Okay? That's what I do. And I got a positive message. That's what I do, y'all. So we just, to a young man from the Navy, I guess that's the Navy. Is that the Navy? Okay, man, y'all hear my feelings. I guess you didn't recognize the song. Maybe you didn't recognize the song. I'm gonna play it for you again.
People trying to enjoy themselves, man.